In a historic moment, women have officially joined a revered tradition known as the Naked Festival at a shrine in central Japan. This ritual, steeped in 1250 years of history, marks a significant departure from tradition as women clad in purple robes take part in the age-old ceremony. 7 groups of women enthusiastically engaged in the ritual, which is believed to ward off malevolent spirits and invoke blessings for happiness. Contrary to its name, participants are not actually naked. Instead, they wear happy coats and shorts, while men don loincloths reminiscent of sumo wrestlers. I heard that women could participate, so I definitely wanted to take part to help bring excitement to this town and festival, said 59-year-old civil servant Emi Taishibana, one of the participants. Naruhito Sonoda, a priest at the shrine, said there had never been a ban on women participating, and some had even made small offerings as individuals before. However, when a women's group inquired last year if they could join, saying yes was easy. I believe the most important thing is for there to be fun festival for everyone. I think God would be happiest about that too. However, women did not partake in the festival's main event, citing physical constraints. While the inclusion of women marks progress, opening up this aspect of the festival remains challenging due to its physical demands. Japan, known for its rich cultural heritage, has been grappling with gender disparity. Despite efforts by the government to improve women's participation in society, the country still struggles to narrow the gender gap, as evidenced by its low ranking in the World Economic Forum's Gender Parity Index. As Japan embraces change and tradition, the Naked Festival stands as a symbol of evolving customs and inclusivity.